Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders. We have a student, she got placed recently. She will share some experience.
Hello, my name is MAHASEENA. I'm a place today. It was a really good experience in PySpiders and also PySpiders. Here the teachings is very good and also trainers are very friendly, and also here I learned so much technical knowledge which helped me a lot during interviews and also to crack technical rounds, and also few presentations, screening, everything helped me to crack HR rounds. Totally it was really good. I feel very happy and grateful to be a part of PySpiders.
Okay, so how many interviews you have attended?
I attended 4 interviews.
4 interviews. Okay, congratulations and all the best.